everyone, my name is Monica. Today we are going to cook a very simple but delicious Char Siew chicken. All of us are very busy on a weekday, but we still want to enjoy good food with minimum effort. This recipe qualifies as a weekday gourmet. Come along with me to see how this dish is prepared. First of all, the marinade consists of 2 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of kicap manis or dark sweet sauce. If you don't have this, you can just put 1 teaspoon of dark soya sauce. 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine. If you do not take wine, you can omit this as well. 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 2 or 3 drops of red food coloring. This is optional. If you do not want it, you can omit it. We also have this 4 cloves of blended garlic and 20 grams of blended ginger. Put both of these in. So give it a good stir, mix all the ingredients thoroughly. We are going to use this marinade to marinate our chicken. So place 4 pieces of boneless chicken leg. The skin must be on, and the skin is important not to take it out, otherwise it will be very dry. So we want it to be tender, moist, so the skin has to be on. So coat and the marinade on both sides of the chicken. Make sure every part of the chicken is thoroughly coated. Okay, so then what we can do is to cover it and marinate overnight. So on the next day, bring out the chicken and stand it at room temperature for about 1 hour before we start baking. Meantime, prepare the baking dish. Line it with aluminum foil. You need not put any oil as it will not stick to the aluminum foil. Arrange the chicken pieces to be as far as possible from one another to ensure that maximum flow of heat energy goes around the chicken. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for a total of 20 minutes. Meantime, we prepare the basting sauce, which consists of 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of marinade. So give it a good stir and put it aside. So we also have our leftover marinade. So in a small pot, heat it up and cooked it thoroughly. We're going to drizzle this marinade over our chicken when we serve our Char Siew chicken. Baste the chicken with the basting sauce after 15 minutes of baking. So once you're finished basting, you're going to put it back into the oven and then cook it for the final 5 minutes. So after a total of 20 minutes of baking, we have got our 4 plump and juicy Char Siew chicken. So we're going to cut it into bite sizes. Can you see how juicy and tender the chicken is? So important is not to exceed the 20-minute of cooking time. So you serve it with hot rice, or you can also serve it with noodles, accompanied with the chili sauce, cucumber, or kailan, which we like. We also can drizzle the marinade over the chicken before we serve the char siu chicken rice. Enjoy!